Hello children. Today we will start Who Said to Whom. So I'll start with the chapter 9 Hedy in the City. Okay. So who said to whom, as you all know children, that we have to find out the sentences which are in inverted commas. Okay. So we'll just find out the sentences and then we will see who has said this sentence and to whom the sentence has been said. So in first paragraph we see there is no such sentence. Second paragraph also there is no such sentence. Then we come to the third paragraph. So we see here in inverted commas, I don't see anything but a street of stone. Is it the same way on the other side of the house? So this sentence I have also written. Children, you can underline it. It is on page number 81. And this sentence Hedy said to Sebastian. Okay, so you can write Hedy to Sebastian. I hope you can see. Next is yes, it is just a word, so we can skip. Sebastian said to Hedy. So we come to the next sentence. Where do you go to look far down on everything? So who said this sentence? Hedy said. And to whom? To Sebastian. So you underline this line and you write Hedy to Sebastian, or you can also write Hedy said to Sebastian. Okay. So there are two sentences in this on this page. So now we turn the page, come to page number 82. So we see in the first line, yes, itself it is a church tower. Do you see that one over there with the golden dome? From where you can see everything. So this sentence Sebastian said to Hedy. Okay, Sebastian said this sentence to Hedy. In the next paragraph, we can see this one. Can you show me a church with a tower? So this sentence Hedy said to boy, the boy who was standing on the road, on the street. So Hedy asked to the boy. So you can write Hedy to boy. Because there is no name given, any name of the boy is not mentioned here, so we can just write boy. Okay. Yes, I can come. So this sentence, the boy was standing on the street, so boy said to Hedy. Okay, you can see here boy to Hedy. Now next here, why have you rung the bell? Who said this? When Hedy entered the church, there was an old man, no? So old man said to Hedy. Okay, why have you rung the bell? Old man to Hedy. I want to see the tower. Now this one, Hedy to old man. Hedy said this sentence to old man. So Hedy to old man. Next, all right, come along. Now this sentence old man said to Hedy. Okay. Next, in the same paragraph, we see here, oh dear, it's different from the way I thought it would be. So this sentence Hedy said to old man. From oh dear to would be. So Hedy said to old man. Next here, what lovely kittens. Now this Hedy said to old man. She just exclaimed, but old man was also there, so we can write Hedy to old man. Would you like to have one? Now this old man said to Hedy. Okay, to keep. Now this sentence Hedy is asking. So asking to whom? Old man. So we can write Hedy to old man. Yes, of course. Now this old man said to Hedy. So on this page we can see first one here. It's 1, 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 sentences are there for who said to whom on this page. Now we come to the next page, 83. So we see here, first line, hurry up. Miss Rottenmeier is very angry. Now who said this sentence? Sebastian said to Hedy. Okay. So this one, Sebastian to Hedy. Now next paragraph. How could you leave the house without telling anyone? That was very careless. Not this one, who said? Miss Rottenmeier said to Hedy. Okay. Miss Rottenmeier to Hedy. So it is just meow, we can leave it. Now come to this one. How dare you make fun of me? Now who said this? Miss Rottenmeier said to Hedy. I didn't. Who said this? Hedy to Miss Rottenmeier. Sebastian then this one. This is enough. Get up and leave the room. Now who said this? Miss Rottenmeier to Hedy. Okay. Next one. I made meow meow meow. Who said this? Hedy to Miss Rottenmeier. Hedy, why are you saying meow when you can see that Miss Rottenmeier is angry? Who said this? Clara. Clara said this to Hedy. I am not doing it. It's the kittens. Who said this? Hedy to Clara. Okay. Next, what kittens? Sebastian, take those horrible things away. Who said this? Miss Rottenmeier said to Sebastian. Okay. So on this page we see 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 who said to whom are there on this page, children. So as I have marked the chapter, you can mark children, underline the sentences and you can write so that you can learn for the exam. So next class we will see the who said to whom for the next chapter. Thank you.